Only if you learn to glow like your Auntie Carol.
Or maybe I'll build a spaceship. You don't know.
He doesn't. Keep the Tesseract on Earth. Hidden.
You sure that's what Marvel would want?
Marvel.
That's what I said.
It's 2 words. Marvel.
Marvel. Marvel sounds a lot better. You know, like the Marvelettes. Wait, oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman. Not ringing any bells?
Keep singing. Maybe it'll come back to me. I upgraded it. Range should be a couple galaxies at least.
What? You think I'm gonna crank call you?
For emergencies only, okay?
Well, yeah, if you're ever passing back through this galaxy, be sure to give a brother a shout.